Good evening, everyone. Welcome to my stream. So, after a lot of time, we are here back again to the stream. Okay, so on Monday and Tuesday, I didn't do streaming because it was bank holiday. I was not expecting much volatility, so I was not into it. Okay, Rajat Verma. Hi, bro. Welcome to the stream. Okay, so we have 9 viewers in the stream. Can everyone send a hi to the stream? The chat box is yours. Okay, so today we have, let us quickly discuss about today's agenda. We have Vivj. Hi, bro. Hi, homie. Okay, so I was talking. Okay, today we have FMC minutes coming up. Okay, at 11, it's in Indian 11:30 p.m. Don't know what is the timing. And in 57 minutes, we have factory orders. Okay, so let's see how gold will behave. If I'll talk about FMC minutes, guys. Okay. Frankly, because Friday is too confused now. Actually, the last FMC, okay, when Powell testified in the last one, those who have watched this Powell testimony, he clearly mentioned that the target what he achieved, it was 2% interest. 2% inflation is not achieved yet, so it will take time to be achieved. Maybe next 2 3 years. Okay, so gradually they will go on increasing interest rate based on the data released. So he didn't give any clue. Okay, so either this year or the next year he'll be increasing interest rate. But as the inflation numbers are increasing, he'll increase the interest rate definitely to gain the 2% interest. Okay, 2% interest rate achievement. Okay, so last week we saw services PMI on, I don't remember, it was the maybe ISM PMI data. It was deflationary. Okay, it was not much of inflation. Concurrently for the, I think, past 4 to 5 months, it was deflationary. Okay, we had services PMI also, and I don't remember, but those data was deflationary. Coming to the point that maybe in this FOMC press conference, again we can see a rate pause. The second point is we have banking crisis going on in US right now. So there is a lot of pressure on the Federal Reserve Committee, so to not to uh, go on hawkish speech, okay, not to increase the interest rate as people won't be interested to take a loans from the bank and vice versa. So it won't be good for a banking sector. That is one more pressure on the Fed committee. So maybe this today FMC minutes, I don't know how they're gonna achieve the interest rates, or how they will they increase or decrease, or will they pause. Let's see on today's FMC minutes. I won't be live, but I don't know, maybe I can plan to be live again if you guys want. Otherwise, I'll send you the updates in the Telegram group. But in the next 54 minutes, we have factory orders coming out. It is more okay, a medium impact news. So maybe we can see a volatility or some kind of movement in gold. Currently, gold is ranging. It hasn't okay. Previous day high also not taken yet. Okay, not previous day low. So it is in between. Let's see which side liquidity it grabs first. Then we will go for a setup. But currently, if you'll see in 1 hour scenario, currently if I'll talk about 1 hour scenario, this. Hi, hello, bro. How are you all? Okay, so this is resistance became support SBR zone for 1 hour time frame. We have the liquidity above. The previous day we have equal highs. Okay, till not taken yet. We have imbalance over here. So there is a lot for gold to do, and still gold is so quiet because past 2 days it was bank holidays, and some festival maybe I don't know exactly. That's what that's why I didn't see a quite lot of movement. But yeah, almost it gave 60 pips, 70 pips, 100 pips move. I was there. I traded. Okay, but not as what it was expected. Today we will see maybe either some lows or some highs will be break on. Like maybe we can expect 200 to 300 pips move today. So let's see how gold reacts. And as of now, it is okay, totally quite. Hmm. So it is totally quite okay. This is oh, this is a resistance became support. We say SPR. This is a morning star in gold. Okay, what we can do is okay. What we can do before the news is we can practice a buy setup from here, and yeah. So coming to the chat, I welcome everyone to the my live stream. Please, can you tell me how many guys are in the sell or how many guys of you are buying, and if you have any setups, if you want to share something, comment box is all yours. Okay, I have given the analysis also on Sunday. Shared the video over YouTube. If you have seen that, currently this is the supply area which it is standing right now, 20 to 30, and I have shared like we should actually this sell. Uh, the if you see the analysis, the market was standing right here. I guess I don't know. Maybe yeah, it was in 21. So I expected it should go up. It should take the liquidity, or I don't know. There was a fair value gap in 30-minute time frame over here in 20 to 30 zone, or then it should drop from there. It dropped. It gave almost 80 to 90 pips depending on your position. And back again, we are here. We are massaging around this supply area. I don't know will it hold or will it break or it go for the liquidity, but right as of now it is ranging. It's very good for scalpers. Mm, all trades closed. Will wait for some minutes. That is okay. Actually, a clever move. That is what we should do because maybe I think so. I don't know how this data will react for gold. After this data, I don't think gold will move much. It will be ranging and ranging before the press conference starts. Maybe 30 minutes prior to the press conference, we'll see some liquidity sweep or maybe spike sell false breakout. After that, we'll get the real moves once the speech starts. And maybe during the speech also we can see a lot of volatility, ups and downs, because as per he will give the comments. Okay, traders will be interested to buy or sell either based on that based on his speech. And once the speech is over, once the traders get a conclusion, okay, how in which direction gold will lead, based on that we can get a clear okay setup. As of now it's very confusing. I don't recommend you before to take a trade before FMC, or otherwise we have news coming up in 49 minutes. We'll see. Okay, so how was Vivek? I guess is your name. कैसा था दिन आपका until we see candle 32? It's a sell in my opinion. A next level to sell should around 37 to 40. Yeah, yeah, correct, correct. It on the high. Hi, bro. Oh, yeah, you're correct. So I don't know because there is a lot of liquidity resting over here above 30. We have previous week high also in around 33. Okay, I don't know. I think according to me, it should give a spike. Okay, because there is a lot of liquidity resting over here. So I think it should give a spike over here. And 15 minutes, if we get a closing of 15-minute candle below this area, okay, with a fair value gap or maybe a supply area, we can go good for sell. This is the 15-minute scenario I'm talking about. Okay, it's broken already. Nice. Okay, this 15-minute candle closing will be interesting. Will lead direction of the data. Oh no, what's my position? Hmm. Okay, so as I was explaining, this 15-minute time frame, I want gold. Okay, to this spike is quite low. Maybe I want a spike above this, around maybe 20 pips would be better. This is I don't think this is even 10 pips. So 10 to 15 pips is better. Okay, there this closing should be below this low or closing should be above this higher. That doesn't matter. The next candle should close below this low. Okay, and after that, in 1 minute time frame, we'll look for some break of structure, and then we'll go for sell from a fair value gap or liquidity. Sorry, supply area. Hi everyone, I welcome you to my stream. If you are enjoying, please press the like button. Okay, so today here we are with gold. Don't know how. Okay. Once again, I would like to repeat our today's agenda is uh, the main focus will be on FOMC minutes, what reports or what speech they have, and for the future upcoming upcoming interest rates. Based on that only, we can decide the direction of the gold because it is ranging. Okay, on maybe yeah Thursday or Friday, we had services PMI. Okay, we got a closing below this low. We had services PMI or some kind of US data that was deflationary. Even though it was deflationary, gold didn't okay didn't break this high. Even though it was deflationary, gold didn't break this 1930 area, so still it is massaging around the supply area. Okay, today will be a very crucial day for the direction of the gold and to know okay, to which direction we should go for. We have previous day high swept almost. We have previous week high also there. We have lots of liquidity above this area, and let's see how gold is gonna react to that. Hmm. तो कितने मतलब चैट में कितने हिंदी बोलने वाले हैं कुछ सब इंग्लिश से कंफर्टेबल है क्या सॉरी how many of you are comfortable in Hindi or is it okay if I talk in English or do you want me to talk in Hindi as well you don't if you're okay with it and let me also know like among all of you how many of you are currently sitting in buy trade or maybe in a sell trade Okay, very nice. Wow, what a pump. As soon as I close my buy trade, okay, the gold is pumping. No buy, no sell. Hindi, Hindi Teriyadu. Maybe, Yadu, I think you are speaking Telugu. I'm fine with both. Yeah, Vivek, understand. Yes, okay. No buy, no sell. So, okay. So, we managed to break above this previous day high. And okay, let's wait for the 15-minute candle closing and then we can decide, was it a liquidity sweep or was it a break of structure? Then on base of that we can take a trade. Still we have 11 minutes for that. We are going above previous week high also as well. So let's see what happens. This is as soon as I close my buy trade here, it is pumping it, man. Okay, very nice. Okay, I was talking about this only. I was explaining this pattern. We had this resistance. Okay, we managed to broke above this resistance, and we made a support in 1 hour time frame, which is crucial time frame. So it became support became resistance, resistance became support, and we had a morning star pattern in 1 hour candle. So on test of this doji candle, it was a great position way, like position good level to buy. But yeah, so I was explaining, I didn't manage to put a setup here, but it was a great thing to buy from here. 8 to 30 to manage 50 pips. Okay, not an issue. Been holding a buy. Congratulations, bro. That's the great. You are in a huge profit. Then I closed my buy at 1931 as soon as I got the spike, and I think it will. I thought this 15-minute candle will close below this low. I think it closed. Yeah, on this 15-minute candle closing, I closed my buy and immediate candle. Okay, okay, no problem. So if it is a liquidity sweep, we are done with it, but it doesn't look like a liquidity sweep. It's still a bullish pump. The reason being is I told, okay, we have two agendas for today, two more, like two main concepts for gold to be bullish. One is their interest rate decision, and the second is um, okay, this banking crisis. So, if you are aware maybe of global economics or global politics, there has been a is going some trade war between China and US. So US is restricting China on so many things. So China is, I think, dealing with Vietnam or some other countries for his trade. There is a trade war. So fear of recession is still there with in both the countries, as they are major uh, major suppliers, or we can say they are participating a lot in gold. So their data will immensely pressure gold. Take note of 1940. Yeah, I understand. So I am expecting 1945 to be touched. Then let's see what we get out of it. So the thing is, uh, again, I would like to repeat what I have told before. The reason being the gold is being bullish. First reason is, okay, the interest rate decision by the Fed, which is expected to be dovish as we are going in a US banking crisis. Okay, so the bank sector doesn't want the Fed to increase the interest rate as it will affect their industry. The second thing is the inflation. The inflation part is not much in US going right now because the data previously, as on okay, Powell's testimonies last month, he testified very clearly that the mandate is 2% of the inflation, but only if okay, it is a lot of time will take to take it to 2%, maybe to next 2 to 3 years. So we'll increase interest rate gradually, and based on the economic data, okay, further coming up, we'll take the decisions. So we can after that. Okay, after that, his testimony, we saw the deflationary data like ISM manufacturing, and I don't remember exactly. There were two, three data released after that. Okay, those were deflationary. So economists are expecting that Fed will pause the interest rate decision for once more. That's what makes USD USD weak and gold is pumping. Okay, today we have FMC coming up at Indian. Okay, this is Indian timing 11:30. I don't know what is the US time or some other time. In next 37 minutes, we have factory orders data. Let's see how gold reacts onto that. According to the expectation, it is okay inflationary. Let's see if it comes to this 0.8% or 10, maybe 10%. Then gold, we can see a sell off in gold. Let's wait for it and let it go till then where it wants to go. Okay, fair value gap around 1945. Yeah, correct. So this is the fair value gap. You over here. Beyond this fair value gap, we have the supply area and 4 hour time frame. So I would very much be impressed if gold touches this 1950. I'll be very much comfortable to take a sell from here. From here, I think almost uh, at most we can minimum we can get 100 pips from here, or maximum expecting maybe maybe 3 to some 400 pips from here. Let's see. So guys, if you have any question in those who are watching me now, if you have any questions, if you have any feedback to give me regarding my live and all, because I have started this channel very new. If you know me, you know this channel, so I've been coming live from past weeks only. If there is anything you want to give the feedback, the comment section is all yours. You can give the feedback. I'll be very much happy to read those feedbacks and try to improve. Still, we have 3 minutes for the 3 minute candle close, and let's see what happens. So those who are in a buy, maybe they can secure their 80 to 90% positions. Most probably, if you close your 90% position, I think it will be very great because when the news will be released, we will be having spikes ups and downs. So I think you can get okay, another chance to get an entry. Rest is your wish and break even. Don't forget to break even your trade. We have 1 minute and 56 seconds to for closing for the 15-minute candle. Based of that, we'll see. It has touched some area. Okay, the supply area has been tapped. Okay, till news with I think we have nothing to do, and we have 32 minutes still remaining with it to released. Okay, is anyone from this okay streaming whosoever is watching my stream? Is anyone still sitting in this buy from 1896 or maybe 1900? Is anyone holding that buy from 1900? Okay, we have 30 seconds more for the 15-minute candle close. No. Okay. So it seems like nobody. Yeah, yes, from 1906. Great, buddy. Golden lying in money, maybe you are almost around 300 pips with profit. That's huge. Congratulations for you, bro. And let's go to 15-minute time frame. We get the candle closing. Okay, that is selling quite great. I want this next 15-minute candle closing again into this area. Yeah, great. Okay, okay, nice. 34. Such a lovely zone. It just tapped, and from this zone, we are almost 50 pips. Okay, we will wait for this 15-minute candle close. If it closes inside this area, then we will look for a trade on the 1 minute time frame. Let it close, then we'll see. Maybe it can come from here again because we have a order block here. So, there is a probability. Okay, this is the break of structure. We have this. We have imbalance over here. Maybe if depth is imbalance, we will gap. Maybe it can shoot up again. So we will wait for the 15-minute candle closing. On basis of that, we will look for a setup. We'll go for a setup. Look at the volume. This huge volume has been put at this 15-minute candle. Okay, this bullish candle we have a lot of volume. If this 15-minute candle closes below this 15 previous 15-minute candle with a low volume, Okay, then I hope gold will come back again to 1990 or 1919 or maybe 1915. So this is I was expecting gold should give this liquidity. Hi Rumana, how are you? Are you watching my stream or just you texted and you left the stream? Okay, so 1934 was quite a good area. About this area, I was discussing in groups, several groups. Wow, super! What a great fall! It's waterfall, maybe almost around how many pips? Even 70 pips. Okay, till we have 10 minutes to go. Ladies and gentlemen, I think by that time gold will move. Okay, 100 to 150 pips, and we are left with nothing. Hmm. So now what we can do? Okay, so we'll observe how gold will react to this zone, and maybe we can take an entry from here. Oh my God, it's melting. Okay, it was a very nice zone, 1934 area. If this 15-minute candle closing manages to close below this area, then we're good to go for a sell on the touch of this fair value gap. But looking at this scenario, I don't know we will get a test of this or maybe we'll move this mess. We are good to go for downside. Super. This is such an insane drop, guys. Maybe 100 pips. Yeah, yeah, it is around 80 pips. Before news only, gold is reacting. Okay, I don't know how it will react on the news. We have FMC minutes to come up. Okay, so we have missed a quite good move actually. When it okay, I should have taken a sell as soon as closed. It has closed this 5 minute candle below this previous low. Should have taken my trade from here. Okay, 32 to, and I missed again. Okay, no problem. We'll see on this available test how it trades. भाई आपने सेल क्यों नहीं किया? और रजत वर्मा इज आस्किंग भाई आपने सेल क्यों नहीं किया? प्रो एक्चुअली बात ये है कि मैं कंफर्मेशन देख के एंट्रीज लेना ज़्यादा सेफ समझता हूँ। अदरवाइज यहाँ से मैं एंट्रीज ले सकता था, बट थोड़ा रिस्की हो जाता। मैं बिल्कुल रिस्क लेना नहीं चाहता हूँ, बिकॉज अगर मूव मिस कर दिया है तो मूव आने को है। अगर अभी भी एफएमसी आने को है, न्यूज़ भी आ रहे हैं, तो मे बी पॉसिबली हमें और दोबारा यहाँ चांस मिल सकता है एंट्री का। तो दुख तो होता है कि एंट्री नहीं लिया है ना, वो एंट्री मिस हो जाता है और आपका वो एंट्री अच्छा रिवॉर्ड में जाता है, बट क्या कर सकते हैं। तो रूल्स ब्रेक करना इज नॉट एन ऑप्शन। कोई ट्रेड भाई, या मैं सेल पे ही हूँ। यहाँ से एक सेल का सेटअप देखेंगे कैसे रिएक्ट करता है। 32 से 30 पिप्स एसएल है। लेट्स सी हाउ it react over here, and I think it will get to this area before 15-minute candle closing. What a move, yeah. Really regretting for not taking this sell from here, as it closed below this previous low. This is the this red line is previous low. This is previous day. Okay, previous day high. This is previous day, previous week high. So as soon as this 5 minute candle closed below this previous week high, I should have got into an entry with a SL above this high, and but it's okay. It's okay sometime to miss few trades, not an issue. Okay, it's very painful when you see your level has been touched and it's giving a good reward and you are not into that trade. Very painful. I. So this is gold and how it reacts. So see the reaction over here, how it reacts here. Let it come here. We will see. Maybe we can take a buy entry from here as well. If it doesn't goes to our sell sell area. Hmm. So I've been looking to this area for a buy quite a while. रजत वर्मा क्या कर सकते हैं और वेट के अलावा तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते हैं. There's nothing we can do about it. Okay, as I remember, yeah, Kash the Great, he was telling take a note of 1940. Bro, 1940 तो गया नहीं, बट उससे पहले रिवर्स हो गया. एंड रिवर्स मतलब ऐसा हुआ कि वापस जाने का नाम ही नहीं ले रहा है. कंट्री तो मिस कर दी. I'm buying from here 1924. Okay, great. This is a setup for me as well. Let's see how. I will enter only after the 1 minute reaction, not before that. I want to see how this reacts over here. Oh man, damn! See this, how it is falling. Hmm. Falling like waterfall, nothing else. Super, no. 100 pips move, guys. Currently, I have two setups in mind. Okay, The first one is a buy from here. The second one is I would love to go again sell from here. And if I get this sell, can get all the way to 1915. This is the current two sellers in my mind right now. Let's see which one we get into. Currently, it is approaching to the sell side setup. Let's see how it will react to that. Oh man, really regretting for missing 100 pips move from this sell. I was waiting for this level since ages. Okay, our zone is approaching. I want to see at least 1 minute reaction, how it reacts here. If you get a rejection also in 1 minute, I think it will be good buy setup from here. Actually, before this new session opened, I was waiting to for prices to reach here at least, but 1925 was the last, and then it reversed and gave another 100 pips. So I was waiting if this area is tapped, I'll go for a buy to 1940. Maybe I was targeting on 1934 was my target, and from there I was about to sell, but once the psychology is messed up, I missed this buy and again I missed this sell. Now my psychology is forcing me to get a revenge trade, but this is how not we should do it. We should stick to our rules. Okay, this financial market could be very risky. If you are not sticking to your rules, then making money won't be an easy. Okay, see, so reached our setup now. Let's see what will happen for a small buy. Not risking much before this FOMC because gold is moving crazy. Okay, superb reaction from for 1 minute, exactly pinpoint from our area. Wow, what a great volatility. Let the 1 minute candle close. We have 12 seconds. Oh man, what is this going on? Okay, so this one, if you look at this 1 minute candle, it managed to close above this zone. We got a rejection from the zone, and I hope I want a break of structure above this area at least. This next candle should break above this 1925, and I think we're good to go for a buy again. Okay, let's see. So those who have taken trade from here, please manage your lot positions. Please manage your risk reward ratio, your money management, and I don't advise anyone who are watching the stream to, okay, put your real money and trade. I only suggest for to practice it in demo account until and unless you are an expert in it, because risking, your real equity is not an option until you learn it. Because if you learn it, you will master it, you will get thousands and thousands of opportunities to make thousands of dollars. So better learn it first, and then you can invest your real money, because everyone hard earned money. Why should we waste it in something we don't know yet? So better to practice on demo if you don't have any experience, otherwise to go. Sahil Ahmed is telling hi. Hi brother. Buy triggered. Yeah, yeah, the buy is triggered from here, and currently it is running 20 pips. We got a beautiful rejection of 20 pips. Let's see how much far it can goes from here. Uh, I don't know. I want to see a beautiful, break of structure above this 1925, and then I can have a satisfaction that yeah, the market will pump. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, those who have taken buy from here with me, your current trade is running, I think, almost around 20 pips. Uh, how many pips? Let me see. Yeah, it is almost around 20 pips with zero drawdown. So this is a good news from my side after a bad day. Okay, because I missed this buy from here. I did manage to buy from 1926 and I think 26 or 27, but I closed at 1932, I guess. Yeah, and I didn't took the sell from here, which I'm regretting. But let's see how this buy plays out. Okay, so we have the news in next 5 minutes, and talking to you and sitting here, it's been almost around, okay, 1 hour. Time flees away as we are looking to the chart, waiting for the candle closing, and been almost 1 hour. So in next 5 minutes, we have news coming up. So, guys, I would suggest manage your trades before the news, and yeah, stay tuned for the news data. If anybody sees the data before me, please give a shout out to the comment section so that I can read the data. Hmm. Okay, we have 3 minutes remaining for the data to release. Wait for the news and let's see how it reacts. So we have more 2 minutes to come. One more 2 minutes for the data to be released. Just wait for the data, and after that, I'll close the stream and update you guys for the Fed minutes, FMC minutes on the Telegram. Okay, so as I have moved I have moved this massive move, missed this massive move, and I'm not much interested again into trade to do our trading today. I'm done for today, and we'll wait for FMC minutes. And yeah, if I get a trade, if I get a setup, definitely I'll share in the Telegram. Those who haven't joined my Telegram, I'll you can get in my bio. Click to the YouTube channel bio. You'll get the Telegram link over there. Please do join. And yeah, if you are enjoying the stream, if you are getting some profits from it, some benefits, if you're getting some learning, please like the press the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel, as it will motivate me to go further and to come live on every day. This is the only motivation I'm getting from you guys, because this is the one-way conversation. I'm not talking to anyone, only I'm the guy who was speaking and reading your comments out and answering to you. Have data being released? Come on. If anyone, oh, okay, where's the data? If anyone is getting the data, please write it in the comment section. Okay, it is deflationary, guys. Gold should fly from here. Let's see. That Rajat was telling data down, sell the gold. Why, bro? Because if data is negative, it should be weakened for USD, and then that should pump gold. Okay, and I don't know how you are expressing the fact, but it is okay. It is deflationary. Then we are good to go for a buy. So I think I should end the stream, guys. This is from it. This is all it from my side. I have this buy from here. This TP away will be 1937, and I have a sell setup from here. Okay, let the TP be okay 1933. Another one, I have a sell setup from here 1933 with the 36 SL, and with the TP of 1915. These are my two setups, and ओके रजत मस्टरिंग भाई लाइव चलने दो। ओके। Hmm. Okay, then I'll keep this window open, and I have some work. I have to go. Okay, so for today, guys, best of luck. Congratulations, you have if you have made money today from anywhere of this buy or sell. If you have taken any trade from my levels or your levels as well, congratulations for your profit. Keep your profit secure until because today we have a FOMC. Maybe we can see a great volatility in this market. I don't know will there be volatility or not, but it is very risky to keep your trades unmanaged during FMC minutes. So guys, my humble request, please manage your trades before the FMC minutes. And thank you for joining my stream. And if you have liked my stream, if you are enjoying watching my stream, please like it, press the subscribe button, and I hope we I will see you guys tomorrow. Till then, bye bye, and have a good day ahead. Thanks everyone once again for joining the stream.